First, like I said, I'm going to show you on this video is my Jedi Starfighter. I will be showing you my BNSF Lego train. This next set I'm showing you is my Sandcrawler. This next part I'm going to be showing you some custom-made Lego sets. Hello YouTube, for this last segment of my video, I'm going to be showing you some rare and extremely rare Lego minifigures. First minifigure here is Spider-Man. That's Luke Skywalker from Episode 6. Yoda, not from the Clone Wars. This is Anakin Skywalker, the one you can't get anymore. These are some from the old Bionicle sets. They used to be small. This is, the next one here is Aang. He's impossible to get probably now. This is Obi-Wan. You might be able to find him in some sets. Another Bionicle figure, and then, last but not least, we have Dr. Octopus. Thanks for watching.